Now, in this video, I will be soldering this volume control knob onto this PCB. The volume control knob, it goes right here. All right. And I've got three pins on the knob. 1, 2, and 3. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line the pins up with these holes on the PCB right here. And the soldering will be done right here. 1, 2, 3 holes. So before I put the part in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some flux right here. And this is the flux I'm using. I'm going to apply the flux right here on these 2 holes and this hole. Now I'm going to apply the volume control knob. I'm going to just align the pins up with the holes and slide it in the holes. Right there. And these are the pins at the back. All right, now my soldering iron is already turned on and the temperature is set at 700 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to clean my iron with this lead-free tenon flux. Now the solder I will be using is this solder. And the solder is 99.3% tin and 0.7% copper. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of solder on the tip of my iron. Now Now I put the solder on the part. And there you have the 3 solder joints. And the volume control knob is in place. And this brings me to the end of the video. Like and share the video. Like and share the video. Thanks for your attention.